How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to explain the process of how to remove the quarter windows from a 1987 to 1993 Fox Body Mustang Coupe. So depending on what you're doing with your car, there may come a point in time when you need to remove the quarter windows. Now, before you remove the quarter window from the car, you will have to remove the interior rear quarter panel first. We have set aside a dedicated video for that process, and you can check that out in the video description. Also in the video description will be a list of tools that I used and the product links to anything mentioned in the video. With the interior rear quarter panels removed from the car, dislodge the two large push pins securing the jute padding to the C-pillar. Now you can remove the 7 3/8 quarter glass retaining nuts. The next steps are very important. To safely remove the existing quarter window, you'll want to separate the old butyl. This is easily done with a plastic pry tool. Work your way around the perimeter of the quarter glass. Once all the old butyl is separated, carefully remove the glass from the car. You'll first bring it towards you, then towards the rear of the car to remove the small tab from underneath the roof rail molding. Next is cleanup and prep. Remove the large pieces of old sealer with a plastic scraper. Once the bulk of the sealer is gone, use a microfiber towel in a waterless wash solution to remove dirt and debris. Now use a paint-safe adhesive remover and fresh microfiber towel to remove any leftover butyl. Be sure and go over the entire area with a prep spray and clean microfiber towel before reinstalling the quarter windows. Repeat these steps for the other side. After that, you're good to go. If you're reinstalling the existing OEM quarter windows, reverse the removal procedure, use the quarter window installation kit available on our site, and do not over-tighten the retaining nuts. If you're going to be installing new quarter windows of any kind, please reference the manufacturer's instructions to ensure proper installation. Like any of our videos, I hope this one has provided you with the value that you needed. If it did, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. That's all we have for you today. So until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things Fox Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.